The Redmi Note 14 series is known for its impressive combination of features, performance, and value. Here are some standout qualities typically found in this lineup. Network technology GSM/CDMA/HSPA/CDMA 2000/LTE/5 G launch announced 2024 September 26 status available released 2024 September 26 body dimensions 162.4 by 75.7 by 8 millimeters, 6.39 times 2.98 times 0.31 inches, weight 190 grams, 6.70 ounces, SIM, dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, IP64, dust and water resistant display, type OLED, 120 Hz, HDR10 plus, 2100 nits, peak, size 6.67 inches, 107.4 square centimeters, durch 87.4% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 395 pixels per inch density protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5 always on display, platform OS Android 14, HyperOS, chipset MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra, 6 nanometers, CPU, octa-core, 2x2.5 GHz Cortex-A78 and 6x2.0 GHz Cortex-A55, GPU IMG BXM8256 memory card slot, unspecified internal 128 GB, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB, 12 GB RAM, UFS 2.2 main camera, dual 50 megapixels f1.5 wide 1.96 inches 0.8 micrometers, PDAI f OIS 2 megapixels f2.4 macro, features LED flash HDR panorama, video 1080p at 30 frames per second, selfie camera single, 16 megapixels, video 1080p at 30 frames per second, sound loudspeaker. Yes, with stereo speakers 3.5mm jack. Yes, 24-bit/192 kHz. High-res audio comms. WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11a BG NAC. Dual band Wi-Fi direct Bluetooth 5.3 A2DP LE positioning GPS GLONASS BDS GALILEO NFC unspecified infrared port. Yes, radio. Unspecified USB Type-C 2.0 features, sensors fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, compass, virtual proximity sensing battery Type 5110 mAh, non-removable charging, 45 watts wired, Mist colors black, white, green price about €140.